Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul.
Hello, brother.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
We're about 3 months since the last video, because when I did the television interview in Pakistan, they wanted to have Pakistani content, and I already had 8 or 9 videos scheduled to go in India. So yeah, we're about 3 months. We're caught up now, and my hotel this time is right near the Golden Temple. Like, my hotel's just up here, so I should have stayed here last time maybe. Look where we are. Now we're looking for an ATM, and then I've got to get hopefully this SIM card will work. But last time when I went to Australia, when I went to Australia from India, my SIM card didn't work when I came back. But it was a new phone, so I don't know if that's the reason, or if once your SIM card runs out of credit for too long, they might cancel it. But we'll find out. We'll find an Airtel shop today or tomorrow. But for now, we're just looking for an ATM. Guys, this building really is one of the most impressive I've ever seen. If you go back to the last video in India before I went to Pakistan, I actually go in there and I show it. You can see the actual Golden Temple through there. I don't know if the GoPro will pick it up. And like I said in that video, guys, the Taj Mahal, amazing building, but that was built for 100% selfish reasons, and thousands of people died building the Taj Mahal. Where this building, it was built for altruistic reasons. I think altruistic is the right word. But this was built for everyone. This was built, it doesn't matter what religion you are, where you're from, what you do, you're allowed in here, and you're allowed to worship in here. Just incredible, guys. I might go and have another look tomorrow, because my hotel's just around the corner. I've got a lot of catching up to do on YouTube, because I had to delete a whole lot of videos when I went to Pakistan, as I explained. But yeah, just incredible, guys, really incredible. And this is inside my hotel, guys, the on-site. I wasn't very happy when I got here, because I got here around lunchtime. This street was packed, but they've got good parking down the road, comfortable room. As you saw, the Golden Temple's just around the corner. Shukriya, my friends. Morning, guys. Well, afternoon. Got all that YouTube stuff done. I've got videos scheduled for a month. Now I've got to go and find an Airtel shop. I'm in a little electric tuk-tuk. Gonna get some phone credit, I hope. I'm hoping the SIM card I had when I left India is still okay, but we shall find out. If not, I have to get another SIM card. It's not that much, maybe $5 I think here, a lot cheaper than it was in Pakistan. And guys, just another quick reminder, if you don't have phone credit, if you don't have data, make sure you get a card from your hotel. I've done it before, where I've left my hotel before internet, back in the olden days, where I've left my hotel and had no idea what hotel I was at. That's scary, guys, when all your gear, everything's there. So yeah, I've got a card for this hotel just in case I can't find data today. Oh guys, India. It's very, very different to Pakistan, that's for sure. But from here, we're going to head to Kathmandu, because it seems the easiest way to get out. Because Myanmar's shut, the easiest way to get to Thailand or Malaysia is to fly out of Kathmandu. That seems to be what everyone's doing. I've already had quotes which seem quite reasonable. So I'm going to head towards Kathmandu, and I haven't decided yet on Thailand or Malaysia, but one of those two. We'll put the bike on the aeroplane. Well, this is a one-way street, so my tuk-tuk driver dropped me off way down there, maybe a kilometre. And he said it's up this way, and I've asked a few places, a couple of phone shops, and they've all said yes, Airtel's just up here. So I'm guessing Airtel is just up here, but oh, we're near the end of the street, so it has to be soon. Guys, the streets here are just tiny little streets. This is like a main highway. Everything else are tiny little streets like this one with cars and everything going up it. That's why That's why I was so annoyed when I got to my hotel, because it was just the traffic. Oh, done. My old SIM card is working. Now I've got 2 gig a day for 30 days. I think I'll only be here maybe a week or two before getting into Nepal. Guys, doing anything in India, I've got this bad habit of when people asking me a question, I just guess what they're asking me and I answer before they've finished. And I know some people it really annoys. It annoys Janet because it happens to her all the time, but every single person in India does it, and it makes it impossible to get stuff done, guys, because they're not actually listening to what you're saying. But I can't really complain because I do the same thing. Oh my God, guys. Insanity. And it's nice and quiet now, this time of the day. And these little electric tuk-tuks, they haven't got much power, so they get a back wheel caught in these little ruts. They get stuck. But now, we're on a food search. I'm hungry. Haven't had pani puri or anything like that, so I'm just going to have a few Indian street snacks for my dinner. Well, late lunch, early dinner. Noise, but that's India. That is India. And I rang the Nepalese embassy to see where I can cross the border. And I said I want the closest border crossing, but foreigners have to be able to cross. So he gave me the name of a border crossing, and when I looked it up in Google Maps, it was Bhimdata. Like Bhimdata's on the Nepalese side. And that's where I tried to cross before, where I went to the very west of Nepal. Had to go all the way back to Kathmandu. So I know there's another place. I know there's a second border crossing that I can cross, but nobody can tell me where. So we're going to Kathmandu. So tomorrow I'm just going to head towards Roxal, where we know we can cross. And we'll head up that horrible road again. No, it wasn't horrible, it was alright, but it was a pretty bad road, to be sure. Anyway guys, I'll get the camera out when I found some food. I'm hungry. Well, we've come to the right place, guys. As you can see, there's food all around me. So let's go and find what we're going to eat. Guys, I found some yummy pani puri here. This is the guy serving me. I can't show you. Can you hold that for a minute? Can you hold that? Can you hold? Can you hold? Thank you while I eat this. Thank you. Delicious, guys. Really good. Wow, that was a good start. That was really good. About 40 cents for 5. Which, yeah, if I remember right, it's only been 3 months, but if I remember right, that's a pretty good price considering where we are, because that is the Golden Temple right there. And I don't know what potato cakes with chickpeas. That's what I'm going to look for next. Well guys, I don't know what this one is. What's this called?
Yes, sir.
What's this called? The name?
This is bundis wala laddu.
Bundis wala badu.
Badu nahi laddu.
Okay, it's really quite delicious. It's like a sweet donut with a spicy sauce.
This is white chole wali dal.
It's very good. Oh, thank you. Thank you. And this is what I was looking for, the potato cakes. They put it in kind of a chickpea stew, but I don't know how hungry I am now. I had quite a few of those pani puri, and the second one I don't know what the name was. Really quite yummy though. Everyone wants to be a YouTube
My big
star.
brother.
My little brother.
Oh.
And now I'm getting a couple of ginger cakes. 4 piece.
4 piece.
How much?
50 rupees.
50 rupees, that's pretty good, about $1. Well guys, that was a fun couple of days. Getting used to being back in India. It's a very, very different place, that's for sure. But anyway, I've got plenty of footage to make a video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up. Share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.